founding CEO. Our Mrs. Face of Tourism founding CEO is not just the guiding force behind this pageant. She's a very passionate advocate for change in the world of tourism. With over 2 decades of experience as the managing director of Reza Travel, her journey has been one of dedication and transformation in the travel industry. Our CEO's vision for the Mrs. Face of Tourism pageant is simply yet profound: to empower and uplift the voices of men and women who seek to create a lasting impact on the society. But what truly sets apart for this pageant is its theme, uniting cultures and celebrating heritage. Our pageant stands out with titles meticulously crafted to align with the tourism industry thanks to the vision of our founding CEO, Mrs. Annie Refreya, who is true tourism industry leader. Each title reflects a unique flair and dedication to uplifting the tourism and travel sector. This focus ensures that our event remains genuinely tourism-oriented, celebrating and promoting the rich cultural and travel experience that define our industry. Our titles embody this commitment, enhancing our mission to elevate tourism through beauty, heritage, and of course, cultural pride. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give a big hand and welcome Mrs. Face of Tourism, founding CEO, Mrs. Annie Refreya.
I would like to thank everyone for coming to our event. Actually, I have a prepared speech here, but I would rather use my own sentence in a different way, my message in a different way. I just want to thank you all because when we started the Mrs. Face of Tourism pageant last year, it was a very difficult and challenging moment because a lot of my friends knows that it was the time that my husband was in the hospital and then eventually he already passed away. So now I am in the process of recuperating from that experience, and until now, I know you will not see how sad I am because you are all here to support me, and that is what keeps me going. So for this afternoon, I would like to thank my candidates who are here with me, and also my previous winners, and of course also to all the media that are here. I'm really thankful that we have this second edition. So what we're going to do is to give you a different pageant this time. So we hope that through the help of my new marketing team, headed by Mrs. Manansala, so we will be providing you with a lot of activities that will truly align with the tourism industry. So this afternoon, I don't like to bore you to death because I know you are going to a lot of activities too. So let's all welcome the candidates and give all your support for them because they are here to promote the tourism industry, to uplift themselves, and of course, to have a better experience and fun too. So lahat pong ito ay para sa inyo, sa aking pong team na lagi nandyan, si Raymond, si Derek Markey. Talaga pong masaya kami in spite of the challenges that has happened. So sa inyo po lahat, kaya po kanina, before we start, pinag-isa-isa ko po talaga yung mga pangalan ninyo who are present here. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta ninyo, and this is indeed a very memorable moment for me because you are all here. Alam ko marami kayong marami pa kayong schedule, but you really took the time to be with us. So, congratulations to all of us. May all the candidates and all the people involved in the business face of tourism will have a fun moment, and God bless us all. Thank you very much.
Once again, let's give a big hand for Mrs. Annie Refrea. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this event marks an important milestone in our pageant journey. Forte, our Mrs. Face of Naitas 2023. Let's give a big hand, please. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome back, representing Biliran Province. Representing the serene and beautiful Biliran Province, renowned for its natural waters and rich cultural heritage, please welcome Maria Ineka Azur, Biliran Province. Next, our candidate representing Bicolandia Camarines Norte. Next candidate representing Cagayan Province. From Cagayan Province, known for its majestic rivers and lush landscapes, please welcome Julian Beltran, representing Cagayan Province. Next, let us welcome our candidate from Cavite Province. Hailing from the historic Cavite Province, the birthplace of Philippine independence. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome Ana Teresa Larena, representing Cavite Province.
Huwag mo yung yung kamay. Yan. Okay, center.
Once again, Cavite Province, and we would like to say thank you, Mrs. Mariana Forte, Mrs. Face of Naitas 2023. And now, please welcome on stage our Mrs. Face of Festivities 2023, Mrs. Mira Madrigal. And to continue, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage our candidate from Cebu. and historic city of Cebu, known as the Queen City of the South. Please welcome Lane Clappers. And now we would like to invite on stage the marketing manager of the SEN Institute. Please welcome Miss Gladys Limoyko. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage our candidate from Quezon City. Hailing from Quezon City, the bustling and thriving heart of Metro Manila, let's give a big round of applause to Lord Jean Gonzalez Galvez, representing Quezon City.
Ma'am, picture mo na kayo dalawa. Salamat kayo. O yan. Okay.
And now, please welcome on stage our candidate from Quezon Province. From the charming Quezon Province, famous for its coconut plantations and the colorful Pahiyas Festival, please welcome Hannah Mirza Pastrana, representing Quezon Province.
Hannah, steady, solo.
Once again, we would like to say thank you, Mrs. Face of Festivities 2023, Mrs. Mira Madrigal, and our marketing manager of the SEN Institute, Ms. Gladys Limoyko.